Hi guys, here we are on the delivery trail. Marley Mount Undaba. Lovely neighborhood. Rich people and place. Rich. And here we are. I love that smile.
Thank you.
Not like a blush smile or just a regular smile. Regular smile everybody get? I like it. How are you today?
I'm doing great.
See you on the job. Teacher or nurse? Principal? Where's the classes? Normally teachers, principal in particular.
I didn't have.
You didn't need it for this occasion. Okay. I don't feel like I'm being schooled, you know, when you have on the glasses, immediately as a student you feel like, some beat. I'm gonna drop right now, you know. You don't beat the kids.
No, we can't do that.
I can't or you don't.
We can't, and we shouldn't. So we don't.
So how comes when I was going to school, I used to get some lick?
Well, new generation. So
Them people are make too soft? What's the case? What is it?
I'm not
Really sure, but
You know, I drop no lick.
because the prison thing.
Oh, okay. You don't think prisoner go fit you?
No.
But you know, you might look good in prison. Hold on. Who knows? If you got prison, I'll come. How long has the institution been here though?
Almost 10 years.
For real?
Or
Oh.
maybe more.
Oh, nice. How many kids you have on the books now?
No. 59.
59. Alright, I need to get a few to send come. I should go home and start practicing. So how did you hear about us? I see you're using our service for a little while now.
I was walking through Olaba one day, and I saw it to be on Mailbox. And
Is my camera lady one of them?
yeah, I think.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
it was a tall one.
Right, yeah.
And I was curious because the company I used to use, they were kind of going off scale. So
Oh, okay.
I say,
You don't have to mention them name.
No.
Okay, alright, cool. Peace.
So I stopped and they signed here up same time, and then I just started using you guys. I think it was in early December.
You've been loving it since, eh? Can't do without you. Oh, we can't do without you. You used to play hopscotch?
I don't remember.
You don't remember? I used to play. I don't remember being very good enough, but I have long legs now. I think I can jump from 1 to 7 now. I should be able to. I don't remember what you used to play again. Bam, bam, bam. And then what else? You used to like skip out on the blocks or something. Let me see. No, come on.
I can jump
Come
on
from.
one.
Come.
Why am there? I think I'm both big.
Yeah.
Big.
Yeah. But what makes it hard? After a while we skip like 1 and then go to 2, bam, 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 and turn around and then come back. Hold on. Oh, my out. I'm go up on 2 foot, right? That's like that?
No man, you're supposed to go.
Oh, go on 2 foot. Alright, boom, and then I jump. So out, I'm supposed to be on 1 foot. Yeah. Alright, I feel winded. So we're now the hopscotch. That is not working. We're going to be delivering packages. Hopscotch not working. But that felt good though. Anyway, pleasure meeting you. And thanks for your passion. And please invite everybody, invite the kids. We need that kind of legacy. You know, the kids them should start shipping from now. Because I know they're borrowing the parents' phone and they're going on the different apps and choosing things. Yeah, they should start shipping. Big up yourself. Have a wonderful day. Here we are on the delivery trail at Kiddies Village Nursery and Learning Center. I learned a lot. I don't remember hopscotch, but I learned a lot.